Number 44, Part B. 1 year after the low-flow shower head is purchased, the cost of water increases by 5%. Create a new model to determine the cost savings in dollars with the increase in the cost of water. Use your model to determine the number of days at which the family will start saving money after the increase in the cost of water. Justify your answer. Enter your model, answer, and justification in the space provided. Okay, so for the first year, everything remains the same. So let's just figure out how much money they save in the first year. So we found from the last problem, first year savings, they save 12 cents per day. So if there's 365 days at 12 cents per day, our savings would be $43.80. However, keep in mind that the shower head costs $54, and so 54 minus 43.80 leaves us with $10.20. So this is the cost, this is the savings in 1 year, and this is left to pay off. Okay, so that's the first year's savings. Now let's talk about the following year. So the following year, water prices increase 5%. And so because water prices increase 5%, our savings are also going to increase 5%. So 0.12 times 1.05 gives us 0.126 dollars per day. This is the new savings. This is the old savings. This is the increase of 5%. So now if we say that S, this is the savings, is equal to, they save 0.126 times the number of days that they save it, and I'm going to just call this D sub 2. So that's different from D sub 1, which was the days during the first year, 365 of them, and we still have $10.20 to pay off. So this is their savings during the second year. This is our model. Okay, so let's use our model now to determine when the family will start saving money. So the family will start officially saving money when S is equal to 0. Right now, S is equal to minus $10.20. So when S is equal to 0, when 0 is equal to 0.126 times D sub 2 minus 1020, this will be number of days in year 2 until the $54 shower head pays off. So if I solve this equation for D sub 2, I'm going to get the number of days that I want. So 0 equals 0.126 D sub 2 minus 1020. I'm going to get D sub 2 by itself, $10.20 plus $10.20, $10.20 equals 0.126 D sub 2. Divide both sides by 0.126. I get 80.95 equals D sub 2. So really, let's just call this 81, because 80.95 days is when it'll start to pay off. So the family will start saving money on day 81 of year 2. So the two parts of my answer are, according to what they're asking for, the model and the number of days it would take for the shower head to pay off.